welcome in our class. And now we are going to start chapter 13. Okay, your geometrical portion is going on, and in your previous chapter, chapter number 12, we already discussed about triangles, types of triangles, parts of triangles. Okay, types of triangles on the basis of sides and types of triangles on the basis of angles. Okay, so now in this chapter 13, what's the name is quadrilateral. You have to only a little bit of know and read in your previous grade 5. Okay, बहुत थोड़ा पढ़ा होगा बेटा किसी quadrilateral बारे में. Only this thing कि what is quadrilateral, enough is that chapter to read. Okay, but now in 6th grade, in quadrilateral chapter, we read about quadrilateral in very fully explanation, types of quadrilateral, that all things. Okay, we are going to discuss in our chapter number 30. So firstly, what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral here. Okay, quadrilateral means four vertices, four sides, and sides never intersect. And sides never intersect each other. Is it okay, ji? This is the definition of quadrilateral. So now I am going to explain to see one diagram. See here. This is point A, B, C. See, four vertices A, B, C, D. Okay जी. Four sides A, B, B, C, C, D, D. Is it okay? Sides never intersect each other. कोई साइड किसी को कट कर रही है? कोई एवं करके साइड जा रही है? नहीं जा रही. Okay? It means this is a quadrilateral. So now one thing is that opposite sides. Opposite sides जो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ opposite खड़ा है. Okay, so that means I am opposite of you. So same thing is going on this one. AB the opposite CD, AD the opposite BC. These are opposite sides. Okay, and now the last one is diagonals. What is diagonals? Diagonals की ਹੁੰਦਾ है? Diagonals ਹੁੰਦੇ हैं इन्हां दे opposite vertices ਨੂੰ match ਕਰਦੇ like this. These are diagonal. So what is the name of diagonal? Diagonal AC, diagonal BD. AC and BD. Is it okay? Clear? So now I am going to again explain quadrilateral, four vertices, four sides, and sides never intersect. Is it clear? Four vertices, four sides, and these sides never intersect. Cut नहीं कर दिया. Opposite sides जो एक दूसरे के opposite. Diagonals, opposite vertices meet a line. That line is called a diagonal. Is it okay? This is the definition of a quadrilateral. And now next one is types of quadrilateral. Firstly, quadrilateral types. How many types are there? 5 types. Firstly, trapezium. Trapezium is like this. Is it okay? A, B, C, D. This is trapezium. These two sides, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. ये दोनों parallel है, but तुसी लिखोगे AB parallel C. Only this one. Okay? But this is not parallel. AD not parallel. ये parallel नहीं है. This is a shape of a trapezium. Second one is parallelogram. Parallelogram means opposite sides are parallel and equal. This is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. देखो जिधर नु AB है CD है, AD है BC. Is it okay? This is a parallelogram. Now third one is rhombus. Third one is rhombus. So what is rhombus? Rhombus is like a kite. Kite होता है ना अपने को. This is a kite. Okay, and this is called a rhombus. So what is the property of rhombus? A, B, C, D. In a rhombus, all sides are equal. AB, BC, CD, DA. Okay ji. Rectangles, you already know that opposite sides are equal. This is rectangle. A, B, C, D. Or you can say that make each angle is 90 degree. This is a rectangle. Now square. Square, you already know that all sides are equal. A, B, C, D. AB, BC, CD, D. So, is it done? ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਮ ਰੋਂਬਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਸਾਈਡਸ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਸੀ, ਸਕੁਅਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਸਾਈਡਸ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਸੀ. ਸੋ ਵਾਟ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ ਬਿਟਵੀਨ ਰੋਂਬਸ ਐਂਡ ਸਕੁਅਰ? ਸੀ ਇਨ ਰੋਂਬਸ diagonals are not equal. Diagonals कदे equal नहीं होंगे. See, this is a small diagonal, this is a big diagonal. Diagonals एक छोटा होएगा एक बड़ा होएगा. They never be equal. Then this is a rhombus. So now in a square the diagonals are always equal. Diagonals भी equal होंगे, same length दे होंगे. Is it okay? So these are the types of quadrilateral. First is trapezium. Trapezium is like this. Parallelogram. Parallelogram is like this one. Rhombus, this one. All sides equal but diagonals are not equal. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal and make 90 degree each. And this is a square. All sides are equal. Now I am going to discuss you what is the name of quadrilaterals on the basis of sides. Is it okay? On the basis of sides. So first one is, here is write number of sides and here is name key. So if number of sides is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number of sides is 3. Then what we call it? Triangle. Number of sides 4. Then what we call it? Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Number of sides 5. Then what we called? Pentagon. Number of sides 6. Then what we called? Hexagon. Number of sides 7. Then what we call it? Heptagon. Heptagon. And number of sides 8. That's called octagon. Number of sides 9. That is called nonagon. And number of sides 10. Then that is called a decagon. So this is the names of shapes that bases on sides. Okay. So hopefully you revise this chapter. Thank you.